In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech G923 to city car driving. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up your Logitech G923 steering wheel. Keep in mind that this process is also going to work for any other model of steering wheel, either from Logitech or from other brands, and you will be able to use it to play city car driving. So first, connect the G923 to the platform where you are playing the game, primarily on PC. So all that you have to do is plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PC. This can be done at the back of your case in your motherboard or on any USB ports that you see available on your case, like on the front. Once it is properly plugged in, I also recommend that you download the Logitech G Hub software. Through here, you will be able to control various different settings about any steering wheel that you have, including the G923. The software can be downloaded officially on the Logitech G website, so go to logitechg.com, go to software, and then select G Hub. Download it for Windows or Mac OS, and when you run it, it should automatically detect the steering wheel. Don't worry, I'm going to give you troubleshooting steps at the end if this doesn't work. So let the software run on the background, and then you can launch city car driving with the steering wheel connected. With this done, before you actually go and start playing, go into the settings, access the controls category, and you will be able to change it here. So on the set of settings, you will be able to choose control unit as steering wheel, and finally the Logitech G923. Of course, in this example, I have the Logitech G29. However, it is going to work flawlessly with the G923 as well. It's just a different image for this example. So you will be able to individually change all of the car controls if you wish, or go into advanced settings, but usually by default it is going to work and you don't have to worry about changing every single aspect. Now you can go inside of the game and you will be good to go to play. Now, like I mentioned, if it doesn't work right away, then I recommend restarting your computer, making sure that G Hub is running and that it is properly detecting the G923. The game has native support for steering wheels, so you shouldn't have to worry about setting it up through other external programs and such. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G923 to city car driving. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.